India a stigma-free country. So this evening I would like to share with you the entire vision of what we intend to do, one. And secondly, what are the positive things that we have done over the last 6 years, especially for children and youth living with HIV and AIDS. Today we have a lot of people who are associated, eminent personalities from sports, cine and fashion who have united together today to positively impact lives. We have started this movement called the Red Ribbon Revolution, which started in 2009. The objective of the Red Ribbon Revolution was basically to eradicate stigma and discrimination, bring in awareness and a positive change for our country. So how did we go about with it? We conceptualized a sports module to begin with because we believed through sport we can positively impact lives. And we started this project called Champion in Me in 2009 with just 20 HIV positive children in Bangalore. And today it has grown to 2,400 HIV positive children who are doing sports. And I think this is one of the biggest accomplishments that we have for our country, a very positive story. And nowhere in the world we have a consistency in a sports module that's been conceptualized for the children. And today...
Good evening, everybody. I've been associated with the Red Ribbon Revolution from the time of its inception since 2009. And this movement is very close to my heart because I've been working with kids affected with HIV. And the year we started introducing sports in their lives, it has made a difference to them because over the years I have seen them competing in small competitions and their health and also, they have become stronger. And I always believe that, inculcating sports or health and fitness into your life definitely makes a difference. And since I've seen that in these kids, it has made a difference to them.
कैसे उनको help out करते हैं, उनको कैसे encourage करते हैं. और जब मैंने ये सुना, मैंने उनकी website देखी, I saw their work, and I was really impressed. And I just said, yes, I want to get associated with Red Ribbon Revolution. So I said yes, and from that time I'm just देख रही हूँ इनका काम में, and I'm really happy that I'm part of this, so that मैं हमेशा से चाहती थी कि मैं कुछ करूँ, मगर कभी opportunity मिली नहीं थी मुझे बच्चों के लिए, HIV positive kids के लिए कुछ करने की. And through Red Ribbon Revolution I got that opportunity कि एक celebrity, जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि एक celebrity होने के एक फायदा है कि at least I can spread the awareness. I can spread the awareness in people. जैसे और एक इनका बहुत अच्छा उद्देश्य है कि हेल्थ पॉलिसीज में, गवर्नमेंट की हेल्थ पॉलिसीज में चेंजेस करना, तो वो एक अवेयरनेस फैलाना ज़रूरी है. सो उसके लिए अगर मैं यहाँ हूँ या फिर हम लोग उसी के लिए यहाँ हैं, सो आई रियली फील ब्लेस्ड दैट आई एम एसोसिएटेड विद दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड टू स्प्रेड द अवेयरनेस. बच्चों के लिए हम कुछ अच्छा करें तो आई थिंक दैट्स क्या बोलते हैं उसको, लाइफ सफल हो जाएगी. So I'm very happy and I wish Elvis कि ऐसी Red Ribbon Revolution आगे बढ़े और सारे सेलिब्रिटीज आए और सारे लोग इस संगठन से जुड़े और बच्चों के लिए और भी बहुत कुछ अच्छा करने की हम कोशिश करेंगे. प्लीज आप भी हमेशा ऐसी ही कोशिश कीजिए and just stay with us and just help us to spread the awareness. Thank you so much.
A very good evening. Preet ma'am ne or Usha ma'am ne to, they've covered most of it, but I'm very personally going to tell you what I've seen. I've seen Elvis very closely work with the kids. I've also worked with them, and it is this is basically a platform so that we get enough and more attention, and awareness is created, awareness is spread. However, there are basic things that, from very, very basic things that Elvis looks after, nutrition, through sports, these kids have gained confidence, they're becoming better, their survival skills are getting way, way better, they've improved so much. And I think it's a fantastic job. And not only that, also at a very psychological level, kids are taken care of because they know that it's not their fault, and you have to treat it you have to understand and treat it at a psychological level. And I think he's doing a brilliant job with them, and really we want all your support just to spread awareness, just to tell people what we are doing and what Red Rebel Revolution is doing. People need to know, people need to come together, unite to eradicate stigma. So this is just a plea for all of you to please help us bring people together and eradicate stigma. Please support us, please join us. Thank you.
See, that's something which I wanted to explain. Right now, all of them have contributed personally to come forward. Each and every person who's contributed their time, financially, a little bit. But here we're trying to create a strategy and model how we're going to raise funds through sponsors, through having different events. Today, the runway, what we're doing is an initiative, but going forward, we want to raise funds through these events. So that's going to be one of our objectives. Similarly with sports, with music, with fashion. So we have an agenda. The question is, what are we raising the funds for? Now, we have listed down certain criteria. There are a lot of organizations who work with HIV positive children. They have a lot of felt needs, such as education, shelter, food, nutrition. We listed down the entire things. So step by step is how we're going to address to raise funds as well. And we will be supporting them.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, good evening to all. This is Raj.
Yeah, sorry.
I'd like to ask you that what were the challenges
Together, make a huge impact and make it.